Welcome everyone. So there are many people who is not able to run the local server, okay, not able to run the JSON server into the local system. Today's agenda is how to install the JSON server, then how to run the API into the local system, then how to use the local API in the Postman. Okay, today we are going to learn that. So first of all, we have to install the node. Okay, so how can we check that? First of all, we'll open the CMD, then we'll run this command node space hyphen hyphen version. And as you can see, the node is not installed in my system. Okay, so what you have to do, open your browser, just type node and press enter, and the first link you will see, this kind of link you will see. Okay, you have to click on that, and then you will see this kind of page. Then you have to click on the download, and you can see the Windows installer. Okay, MSI, you have to click on this and just save, and just click on save again. So I already have installed that. Sorry, I have already downloaded that, that's why I got that pop-up. Now just click on the MSI installer, and it will see this kind of, I mean, you will get this kind of pop-up like it's an executable file. So you are okay with that, so just click on OK, and you will see this kind of pop-up to install the node. Now you have to click on the next, click on accept terms and condition, then again click on the next button, and you will see this kind of location. So this is the location where the node is installing. Okay, so we just have to click on the next button again, and you don't have to do anything here. Okay, just leave as it is, and just click on the next button again, and you again, you don't have to do anything. Okay, just click on the next button, again click on the install, and now the installation is started. So we have to wait for a few minutes, and then you will see a pop-up on screen. Okay, so maybe on the recording, maybe in the recording you won't able to see that pop-up. Okay, but if you can see any pop-up, then you just have to click on the yes. Okay, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to click on the yes. Okay, when I click on yes, then the installation is started. Okay, so the installation is done. Now you have to click on the finish, and now again open the CMD and just type the same command again, node version. So you can see the node is still not recognized. Okay, so you just have to close the CMD, open the new CMD, and again you have to type that command and press enter. Now you can see the node version. Okay, so the first step is done successfully, the node is installed successfully. Okay, now we have to see the second step. So the second step is like install the JSON server. Okay, how can you do that? So again, open your browser, in the new tab, just type JSON server. Okay, I just have searched the JSON server, and you can see the first link, JSON server npm. Okay, just click on this, and we can see the command here. Okay, to install the JSON server, here is the command npm I JSON server. So click on this copy button. Okay, I have clicked on this copy button, and again open the CMD, paste the URL here, and press enter. So the JSON server started the installation. So we have to wait for some time and it will be installed. Okay. So the installation is done and we can see like 85 packages are looking for funding, NPM fund. Okay. And we can see some of the command here, npm audit fix and npm audit fix course. Okay, so you have to type this command npm fund. Okay, and press enter. Okay, and now you can see this kind of thing. Okay, so now your installation is done. So our JSON server installation is completed successfully. Okay, so the next step is, now we have to create a db. Okay, so again open that website. Okay, when you scroll down here, okay, you can see this db. Okay, create a DB in the same website where we have installed the JSON. Okay, in the same website, in the same page, you can see uh, this DB text. Okay, you have to copy this and you can use Notepad or Notepad plus plus. Okay, both are fine, not an issue. So for now, I will use the Notepad. Okay, I can also use the Notepad plus plus, but there are many people who don't have the Notepad plus plus. Okay, so they may confuse. So that's why we are just using the Notepad and we have the new file here. Okay, just paste that command, the text. Okay, you just have to paste this here and what you have to do, just save as. Okay, so in the website also you can see create a db and db.json should be the name of that file. Okay, db.json or db.json file. Okay, this will be the name of that file. Okay, I'm just copying this text file name and file, save as, desktop. I will create a new folder here. JSON server, I have created a new folder and open that, open this, and here we have to give that name db.json and make sure you have to select here all files. Okay, if you select the text document, then it won't work. Okay, it won't work as a db. So make sure you select the all files and the name should be .db.json and just click on the save. Okay, the process complete. So we have saved successfully this db in the local system. So now we have to run the server. Okay, we have to run the local server and we also have to run the json file, db.json file. Okay, so what we can do, we have to open that document. Okay, so here you can see I'm on the desktop and you have to click on the json server. This is our folder name. Okay, and now we can see the file here. Okay, so on the address bar you can also click on the address bar and Okay, you have to click on the address bar and just type CMD and press enter. So you can see like in the CMD we are in the same folder location. Okay, you can see the JSON server. Okay, this is our folder location because we have to navigate till this folder because we have to open the file here. Okay, if you don't navigate till here, then when you paste the command, okay, that the command will not work and the JSON server won't start. Okay, and the DB also not connect. So that's why make sure you have to navigate to this folder. Okay, then only use the command next command. So our next command is this one is our next command, and this command you can also see in the side. This is the site npx json server db.json. Okay, so open the cmd. This is our command. This is our file. This is the command, and just press enter. But somehow it's not working. I don't know. Let's try again. Okay, it's not an text file. That's good. Okay, let's open the new CMD. Okay. So now it's working. So I have just opened the new CMD again, and now it's working. Okay. So we can see like the URL. Okay, we have to use this URL to use the API. So let's see our next step. So now the local server is working fine. So now open the postman and import the below curl URL. Okay. So again, open the site and you can see the get rest API. This is our local API. Okay. You just have to copy this thing, and the same thing is available in the document. I also upload this document on the site. Okay, don't worry. You can find this document below the video. Okay. So open the postman. Here is our postman. Open the postman. I'm logged in the postman. Now I will create a new collection. So click on the new, click on the new button, then click on the collection, and we can see the collection local JSON local JSON server API. Okay, so this is the folder name, and now we have selected this folder. Now click on the import, and you just have to paste that curl URL. Okay, again let me show you. This is the curl URL. So copy this curl and in the postman just paste here. Incorrect format. Something is wrong. Let me try this one. Both are the same. Okay. In case it's not working, we have to try another approach. We'll click on the folder. We'll click on this three dot and we'll click on the add request. So now we can see the request here. Okay. So now open the CMD. We have to copy this endpoint. Okay. Just leave it. We have created a new request. Okay. In the new request, open the CMD, copy this, paste here. Okay. And we'll just click on the next button. Okay. In the same time, we want to see in case something happen here. Okay. So just click on the send and we can see the data. Okay. This is the two data that we have for the get request. So that's how you can use your local system, the local API. Okay. So that's how you can use the get post methods. Okay. I hope it will be helpful for you.